Hey my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great remedy that would help you to get a clearer complexion. Okay, I'm not saying bleaching, no, I am saying that you are gonna get toned evenly. Okay, now what this natural home remedy is going to do is that it's going to scrub out all of the dead skin cells on your skin, not only on your face. So for this ingredient you can also use it all over your skin. Yeah, when it scrub out all of those dead skin cells, your skin is going to do what? Get brighter. Yeah, so it's going to get evenly. Yeah, okay, so if in case your face is darker than your body, you can actually use it only on your face, or your body is darker than your face, you can use it only on your body for the meantime. Yeah, so if you want to know what all the ingredients comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit me a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thumbs up, share, whatever. Now let me take you right into this video. For a clearer complexion, you're going to be making use of honey, and for this you have to use 100% natural honey that is very helpful, and that is also going to help to, you know, brighten up your skin, yeah, and clear up all of those blemishes, because honey is a moisturizing property, yeah, that helps to moisturize the skin. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be taking one tablespoon of this honey. It's actually really thick. And also we're going to be needing to use milk. Now you can use goat milk or raw milk, okay, for this. Milk contains lactic acid. It helps to close up a large and open pores, and it also helps to smoothen out the skin, leaving the skin really youthful and really plump. Yeah, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be pouring in a good amount of milk, and then we're going to give this a stir. Alright, so this is how it is, and this is really good. So the next ingredient for this is vitamin C. Vitamin C, okay, you need vitamin C for this remedy, okay, so that it can help to make your skin look really healthy, and it also helps to maintain a great and even skin tone and a brighter skin tone. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to crush this. I'm going to be crushing it. So however you can, or however you have to be able to crush this vitamin C, you can do that. So after crushing this, then you would have to be putting it into the bowl. So I'm actually going to be putting it into the honey mix, and then mix it up really good. It's going to be really thick. And then also we're going to be needing aspirin. Okay, aspirin is great for stretch marks. It's great to even out skin complexion. It's going to be very helpful in maintaining the skin and also clearing up any blemishes and pigments. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be doing the same thing by crushing this. So after crushing it, then I'll have to be putting it into the mix. So that is it. And now I would have to give it a stir. So the next ingredient for clearer and a more plump skin, we're gonna be needing aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great natural remedy that helps so much to even out the skin, and it helps so much to plump out the skin. It moisturizes the skin and it gives you a clearer complexion. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing now is that I ran out of aloe vera, so I'm going to be putting in the remnants of what I have here. And this is really good. Yeah, so now I would have to be mixing it all up and mixing it really well. Okay, now the last ingredient is coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a friendly oil for the skin. Now if you're dark, if you're fair, if you're chocolate, however skin you have or whatever skin you have, coconut oil is perfect for you. So putting just a few drops of coconut oil in this mix is awesome, and it's really perfect. So it's going to help so much for a clearer skin. Alright, so after doing this, I would love to use my manual mixer to mix this up. And this is really good. Okay, so let's go apply this and have a youthful skin. So you've been looking for that clearer skin. This is going to help you. Number one thing, I actually like repeating it when I'm actually telling people how to get that beauty. Yeah, so number one thing you do is that you have to put this inside the fridge. Yeah, let it cool up. Number two, you dab your face with water, just like I'm going to be doing. Yep, and this is actually going to help to soften your face so that this product can just penetrate into your skin, and now you apply for a clearer and a more visible skin, guys. This is just what you are looking for, and it smells really nice. Oops, look at that glow. Oh my god. All right, do not forget your lip. Okay, after that, then you will be using your hand to gently massage your face so that if you have any dead skin cells around, it's just going to wake up and pack their load and leave your face. Okay, you massage like this. Massage your lip too. Then you apply a little more. This is how it is dropping on my skin. It feels really good, you know. I actually used to experience some pimples around my eyebrow, but now I really tackle it with all of this natural homemade remedy, and trust me, it is going, like it has gone literally. Okay, so after that, then you can go wash it off and you're good to go. You know, just give it a little time, about 3 minutes, 2 minutes, as long as you can stay, okay, and then you go wash it up with toilet soap. Repeat this as often as you can, definitely. Okay, if you want a clearer skin, like an instant clearer skin, you have to repeat it and repeat it for at least 1 month. Like you do it 3 times in a week for 1 month. Make sure you use a toilet soap, wash your face with it, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. So that's it, guys. Rub this all through and get a superb skin. Okay, and you're gonna be loving it. Like, I literally love the way it feels on my skin, and it is really smooth and really healthy and effective also. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys, and